This is crossing over into all walks of life. And if you're not convinced, I encourage you to listen and lurk before you leap. Do the analysis to see what content is showing up in the SERP, in the Google search engine results page associated with your brand name. If you look at some of the most visited trafficked websites, what subreddits within your industry are getting more followers, getting more traffic, generating buzz, right? Learn and lurk and spend time to see what happens when you type in, for example, New York pizza. I wanted to run this experiment, so I looked into this and I found, and I was able to see here that this was one of the most successful pieces. So if I run a pizza company, if I run a food company, if I am a blogger in the world of food, then you can see this piece and be like, okay, this is ranking in the SERP. Maybe I can replicate this. Maybe I should be creating content that is similar to this. You want to lurk up front so you can learn how Reddit is ranking for keywords, so you can learn what people actually want on Reddit and use this to understand how you set yourself up long term. Because there's AI licensing deals being struck left, right, and center. Google has partnerships with Reddit. OpenAI has partnerships with Reddit. So when you go to ChatGPT and you ask a question, very often you will see an answer that is actually influenced by Reddit. So you need to spend the time to understand that. When you ask ChatGPT, what's the best cheap coffee machine? One of those sources is Reddit. What are the best coffee machines that are built to last? One of the sources is Reddit. And when you realize this, you start to say, okay, how can we ensure that the stories happening on Reddit are actually relevant to us? And this to me is the stat that I love to show for B2B. If any of you are in B2B, if you're in the world of selling to other businesses, this should solidify a lot of your strategy moving forward and the way you think.